Hello everyone. Let us discuss about tenses. In grammar, tense is a category that expresses time with reference to aspect. There are three types of tenses with respect to time. One is present tense, second one is past tense, and third one is future tense. What about present tense? We talk about the situation which is going on right now. The situation or the action taking place right now. This comes under present tense. The second one is past tense. We talk about the past incidents which have taken place in the past. We talk about in the past tense. In the future tense, we talk about the incidents will take place in the future, not now, not right now, after this time, after 1 hour, after 2 days, after 1 day, after 1 year, that will takes place in future. That is comes under the future tense. Aspects of tenses. So simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Simple tense means occurring right now. The incident taking place or the action is taking place right now. It is in the simple tense. Present tense, we talk about simple present tense. Like that, in the past tense, if the incident taken place in the past already happened. So likewise, the incident took place and it is continued for some time. That will comes under continuous tense. And the situation or the incident happened at one time and after that it has come to an end. Just now it is finished. It comes under perfect tense, and in the perfect tense the action is taken place for some time, it is continued for some time, and it is continuing. That comes under perfect tense. So time and aspects of tenses combine together to form again three tenses into 12 tenses. Children, so we can consider present tense. This present tense can be divided into 4 types. One is simple present tense or present simple tense. Second one is present continuous tense. Third one is present perfect tense. Fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. We will talk about in separate videos about separate tenses. And in past tense also, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. You can see the structure and what is the verb form used here in which tense, which verb form is used, we can see here, and we can discuss about it separately in separate video. Okay. In future tense also, future simple tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. You can see the structure here, and we will discuss it separately.